Then finally, a second question is, now the report directory, if you look in the report directory, which is, as I said, is the C drive MSC sessions, if you look there, you'll see that this is C drive MSC sessions. And you'll see that there are a tremendous amount of files that really you don't have any use for. These are supporting files, they are BIN files, some of them are images, and there's the report itself. And so here's the point. With the report directory, again, we recommend that you do not change that report directory. However, at the moment of creating the report, let's say your report directory is in the MSC sessions folder, but at the moment that you are creating a report, it's going to open up the file location again, and it's going to ask you, where do you want to save it? That's a time where you might choose to have saved it in a different location that is outside of the session. There's a place where you can decide where you want your final product to be stored. So I'll make an example of that. You see I've loaded a patient. Now we're on the second level patient directory. And now I've gone ahead and run the neurometrics. We're at the top level, the final level, the neurometrics level. As you create report, press that button, it will open a dialog. And this is a moment where you might choose to go to, as I've done, I've created an outputs folder. Okay? And there I can just save that in the outputs folder. I don't have to dig through all of the other files. I can simply find the ones, all of these files are not going to be so necessary for me. And having the software send it to the output folder. And as that finishes, that will be saved in here. There it is. There's HICS, just now being imported. That's the special consideration about the report directory. Is right now your reports are being saved in the report directory of that patient. If you wish to, you can direct that file location upon the moment of creating the report. You see the report is just finishing up, it's wrapping up, and what happens? It closes. It entirely closes. So if you don't know where to look, you should look in your C drive, MSC sessions, and in that patients folder, or if you have decided to save it somewhere else, you should look in that folder, and here it is. Okay, hope that helps.